How to remove Facebook or FB account in other devices. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step procedure to remove your Facebook account in other devices. So here's what you'll need to do is, open up your Facebook application and log into your account. Then what next you want to do is click on the menu bar in the top right, go to gear icon from the top right once again. Then you want to scroll down or just go to see more in account center. As you do it, what next you want to do is there are two different ways to actually remove account from different devices. So you could either go ahead and change your password, but for that you want to go ahead and make sure to enter in the current password, and only then you'll be able to change. The next thing you want to do is scroll down a bit, go to password and security once again, and here you want to go to security checks and then go to where you're logged in. Then select the particular account that you want to log out from other devices. Now for example, I want to log out from the Samsung Galaxy S20. Alright, so what you have to do is you simply want to just long press on it, click on the logout button, and that way you'll be able to successfully remove it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.